Tita, oh! O, diba? Ang galing-galing. Ang happy ni Jack. Happy kayo siya. Grabe na gyud. Happy kayo, me. Happy kayo, me. Happy kayo, me. Next, okay, may bangko. Happy kayo. Happy ka? Happy among dyan. Dito kami sa Morrisons. Oh, happy si Jack sa kanyang lakad-lakad. Nag-aantay yung dalawa dito. Oh. Nagbabayad pa kami. Relax man kay kadiha. Hoy. Dito kami ng mga bata sa B&M. Nag-promise yung kanilang papa. Nabilhan daw sila ng pen. Danny! Ay, kadugay ba day aning isa? Color pencil.
In the car.
Yeah, that's okay. That's your balloon. They won't think that you steal it. Come quick. Because Dad is waiting. Ayan, nandito tayo. Wala, ang ganda nito. Oh, kulay-kulay lagi siya. Nak, why it's too colorful? Ang ganda.
I like this one, and that one.
Yeah? Come on, let's get the pen quickly. Where's the pen go? Where's the pen? Ang yakisoba na.
The other one.
Go, 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 go.
But
Wala man yakisoba. Ay, there.
was it fun in here even it's not
Ito o, chili and
Was it fun in
plastic.
here even it's not cold?
Ha?
I'm not hot. Was it fun in here even it's not hot?
I don't know, Jessica, because it's gonna
Where
get hot.
is it?
Go now, get your pens. Yung mga bata na ito. Madali lang kami dito kay hindi na kami magtagal. Jack kasi nandun lang sa sasakyan. Where is it? Do you know? Uy, tag 199 ra lagi ni. Ano to? Ba't ang mura? Sorry. No. Hindi pa rin nila nakita. Ang dami ko nang dala. Here?
Wait.
That's for Christmas, I think. Wow, they have decorations
I
now.
don't see it.
Wow. Laoy, nafe-feel nyo na ba yung essence ng Merry Christmas, Happy New Year?
Mommy, look at this.
Ang ganda niyan, oh.
Look at this.
Huh? Wow, that's so nice, JJ. Come on, let's get the
Okay, I don't
pens.
know it.
Pink balls na. Ang
JJ,
Christmas
look
naman
at
eh.
this.
Ay, dali na, dali na. Ito, autumn. Sorry. Oh, this is all Christmas lang. For
Why
Christmas.
No pens. So Jenny has.
Yeah.
Hi, big, big.
Hi, big, big. You should take a photo of it. It looks like big, big. Mommy's
Not big, big.
little baby, big, big. That's so big.
Strawberry. Look.
Grabe naman, ang lalaki naman yan, oy. What's that?
Stamps.
Nalaghan naman hinuon si Agosto.
I want.
This one. Yeah? One each? Do you have coloring? Jenny. Stamp. Letter.
I want this one.
Yeah, you and JJ share it. Go get some coloring book.
Where's this one? What's this one?
Why, don't you like big ones?
White.
What? Yeah, okay. JJ, do you want big one? There's Lul. No?
That's not Lul.
That's Lul. Look.
That
Lul.
is not how you say it.
Na. Quickly na, kay Jack is waiting. Meron pa naman akong parcel delivery today. I like that, oh. Christmas tree, white. Oh, Mom. Nag-open kami ng peanut. Ayan si Jenny. Ito yung binubuksan namin lahat. May bata dito kumakain ng saging. Dito po kami. Ito yung aming bubuksan lahat. Naka-roast na ito. Binili namin to sa Morrison. Ang galing niya mag-open ng peanut. Huh?
This is fun.
It's fun? The radiator is so messy.
I know.
We have to clean it.
Hey, why are you eating it? So I can take the other one out?
Yeah, the brown skin.
Yeah. Okay. Teapots. Teapot comes out.
Hello!
Kamusta? Lagi ko ti sa mukha. Hugo, kaya mo balay. Kailan ko alagaan. Gisipon. Gisipon na ba ko? Nagilak. Lagi ka, auntie.
Hello! Hi, Jessica! Hi, Jennifer! Gwapa
Kabalo si mama? Manhig ka? Kabalo
Tawagi
siya?
gani siya. Hello! Gwapa kayo!
Hey, Auntie Didin.
Hi, friend. Come here, friend. Come
Kaya kita na ka ni Jack. Ang peanut kaya
Nagwapa
maglutong
kay
ta mi.
Kiss Lola, be. Ang mga English naman mo. Ay, Kiss Lola, Kiss Lola. Lola, oh. Dali, Kiss Lola.
Tawagon si Wendy ha.
Ah. Alam, mga gwapa, mga kayo, ay. Oo. Tanawa, gwapa. Kiss Lola. I love you.
Kaya kita na ka ni Jack. Ay, natulog dito sa taas. Punta mi.
Kiss Lola.
Maulaw siya ti.
Kiss Lola, Kiss Lola. Lola, oh. Dali, Kiss Lola.
Akong tawagon si Wendy ha.
Ah.
Wow, did you say thank you?
Wow, sa iya ba?
Delete. Oh, Jack, oh. Say thank you. Hala, auntie, oy, nagpuan pa man ka, daghan, auntie, oy. Mama, kinsa man eh?
Ako ay. This is for you, Wayne. For your water.
Oh, right, thanks very much.
You're welcome. Water. There's water inside. Yeah.
Tanawa. Stay salamat. Naghana, auntie, oy. Ego na ni Jack. Paul, do you wanna sit down? Sorry, we're here. We don't have sugar. Do you want me to drive and get sugar?
No.
You want me to drive? The Asda is just by there.
Oh, it's a nightmare out there. We just been to the.
It's alright.
Is it as?
Yeah.
Is it
And
not?
did you say thank you? Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow, that's so nice. You happy? That's very nice, anak. Auntie, salamat. Thank you, Paul. Thank you, auntie.
Asa man si mo?
Kinsa man na, si mama. Ay. Happy ang Jack. Atong flower. Ibutang ko ni sa vase. Auntie, mahala ba yung flower ni Muti? What?
You didn't
Mabarato,
expect us
anak.
coming,
Mahal
then
ko
nobody,
ang tea.
nobody gave it away.
I
Oh, you knew.
think you're having a visit.
Didi? Uy, ayaw ko ba akong
Nobody gave you
bulan?
away, no. But I because I said, you do realise it's a full friend, isn't it?
Ah,
Yeah, down the road.
Maybe.
Mugod mi nag-expect ang kaani diri.
ay, wala.
Kay Portsmouth, sumabalik ang sa deni.
Oh.
Ano kay friend diri?
Ah,
Sila iya.
salamat, auntie. Man, nakahilak ba ako pag-ablis door? Ako wala, auntie. Muna siya kay ko. Say thank you. Na si auntie.
Ay, twins.
Auntie, basig mga baho. Basig mga ligo.
Gwapa, magyapon kayo.
No sugar, though.
Do you want me to go, Asda? I can drive quickly.
It's alright.
Maybe it's so hot, Paul. So hot. Sila ante. Ay. Gilagay ko.
Bye bye.
Wow.
Bye.
We did notice the temperature difference up here, though. To
Yeah, it's
Cornwall.
cold.
It's colder here.
Colder here than.
Kinsa naa si Daboy si Ayen?
Please, okay kayo.
Wow, nice Jenny. Say thank you. Thank you. Hug dayon, hug.
Gamay pa niya.
Oh.
Jessica.
Jessica. Hug. Hug ba? Si Shy. Shy daw siya. Tara, oh.
And said, give me a kiss. No.
You didn't kiss?
Would you like to try? No?
No, not yet. Si Jack, oh. Kani auntie, oh. Kay kuan na kayo. Gusto.
Parang kag-apple, ay. Kami kay kaonon. Kami kaonon.
Missy? Wow.
Ay, muna siya, babe.
Feeling ko ang ganda ko today. Sobrang happy ko today dahil nandito diba si auntie. Kapatid siya ni mama. I think you remember na nag-meet kami before. Pumunta kami sa kanilang lugar. That was like 2 years ago, I think. Binigyan niya ako ng roses, no, pagkaganda-ganda. Sabi ko, auntie, ang mahal-mahal. 4 pound. Kaya sabi ko kay auntie, pag anniversary bito na mo ni Wayne, hindi ako nagpapabili ng bulaklak ay namahalan ako. Tapos sa M&S, pag yun binili ni auntie, ay, pistol na hulog. Na brand, dito ang M&S is social siya ba na ano, nabilihan para sa amin ni Wayne. Hindi kami nakaka-afford dyan sa M&S. Auntie, I feel so beautiful today. Grabe na yun. First time ko makatanggap ng ganito kadaming bulaklak na rose. Ay, tanggalin pa ba to? That was unexpected. Sabi ko kay mama, hingi si mama ng number, ng address ko kahapon. Sabi ko, ma, baka my friend ka pupunta dito. Wag mo talagang ipapunta. Sabi niya, hindi lagi kasi yung bear. May malaking bear ako sa Thailand dati na binili ni Wayne na sobrang laki. Pagkalaki yun na kagaya ng height ko. Sabi ni mama, yun daw yung ipapadala niya. Pero nag-usap kami ni Wayne. Sabi ko, I think my aunt is coming. Pero ang expectation ko is December pa. Hindi ngayon talaga, as in sobrang surprise ko. Naiyak budak. Wow, ang ganda. May pabulaklak tayo dito sa ating kitchen, oh. Bongga. Thank you, Auntie and Paul. Oh, first time ko naka-receive ng madaming roses. I feel so beautiful. Anyways, I hope makita ko sila, Auntie, ulit. Ito yung bigay ni Auntie. Oh, dahil sa lamig dito ba? Kaya ganito. Ang daming regalo ni Auntie. Meron pa ito, oh. Ayan, sa akin yan, ito kay Wayne. Itong apple, isang pack ito, 3 na lang yung natira. Meron mga grapes at oranges. Tingnan niyo yung eggplant ng lalaki. Ito yung grapes, 2 to. Uwas na yung isang pack. Bigay to ni auntie. Niluto ko na yung isa, nandito sa lahat. Happy kay ko ay nakita ko si auntie. Tapos it was unexpected. Lula siya ng mga bata dahil sister siya ni mama. Baka ma-misunderstood na naman ng iba. Bakit hindi yung mama mo? She's still the lula. Si mama next time na. Next time na si mama. Hoping for that na. Pagkapunta si mama dito sa UK. Matulog na ako kay. Nagising lang ako saglit. 2 o'clock na dito. So, matutulog na ako kay para ma-okay na. Ay, mag-inom muna ako ng tubig. Hopefully, tomorrow ma-okay na itong buses.